President Bola Tinubu tamed the Atlantic Ocean. That's why he saved the entire VI. And that's why he has the audacity to do this coastal road. Let me first by saying what my brother said, that we should stop doing new roads. We are doing only 2 new roads, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway and the Sokoto-Badagry, super highway. And these projects are not just road projects, they are investments. Section 1 has been completed, 47.47 kilometers by 2, and it is under bidding now. People want to pay the entire cost of the project so that they can toll it. Is it not an investment? So it is investment. Now, the rest of the projects, my brother was just telling me, say we are not talking so much about 260 kilometers, by 2, that's 520 kilometers, running from Makode all the way to 9th Mile in Enugu, which is costing $954 million. He said we are not talking about it. That project is about 70% done. It is not a new project. It is an existing route, that over the years, been very much impassable. We are not talking about the Bodo Bonnet that we just completed. It's not a new route, but the president who makes all things through God that strengthened him to be possible has linked that Bodo, that for the first time, people of Bonnet can now go from the island to the mainland. This is by road. This is very important. We are not talking about Enugu-Onitsha road. Is it a new project? It's not a new project, and that is done. Maraba Kefi is not a new. So tie with Femi, is it Abuja Kano? Tie with Femi. So these 2 projects that people are hitting, especially Lagos Calabar. I don't know what, if they don't like the Niger Delta people, where the oil is coming from. Why do you say they should not participate in the God-given, resources of the destiny? Everybody is kicking, the people that are attacking us. They will say Lagos Calabar is a bad investment. It's not a bad investment. Federal government is contributing only 30%. The 70% is under EPC plus F. If they will only understand what is EPC plus F. Let me break it down. It's engineering, procurement, construction plus finance. The rest they have to go and find out, or they at least consult me. It's very important. So they just stay without having full understanding of the entire thing. So we are not constructing entirely new roads. We are building the existing roads, which were very badly constructed from the beginning of our nation. That is what the president is doing. And the position is that these roads that the president, the roads that the president is doing, these roads are